Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will create a random quote generator using AJAX. If you look at this project, we got a title, generate new quote button, and a quote with the name of the author. Each time you click on the button, it will generate a new quote. We will be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to do this project, so it'd be good if you understand the basic of them. In terms of JavaScript, it would be better if you have an understanding of JavaScript function, DOM manipulation, callback function, and AJAX. If you are not comfortable with them, I suggest you to watch my previous videos on those topics. I have added the link of each playlist below. Before starting the project, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. Also, I want to let you know that I have created a playlist on my channel. They are organized by topics to help you find what you need easily. Check them out and start exploring. Now, let's get started. First, create your project folder and open them in the text editor. I have created a folder called Random Quote Generator and I'm using VS Code as the text editor. Create 3 files over here: index.html, style.css, and script.js. Open index.html. If you are using VS Code as I am, type exclamation mark and press the tab key. You should see a basic HTML codes. In the title tag, add Random Quote Generator. Inside the body tag, add a div with the ID Quote Generator. Inside this div, add s2 tag with the text Random Quote Generator. To check the preview, right-click, click Open with Live Server. Then the project will open itself in the browser. Just a quick one, Live Server works only if you have installed them in the extension. Now, let's link a CSS file to this index.html and we will quickly test them so that we can work on them later. So, just after the title tag, add the link tag. In the href, add style.css. Let's test them. So open style.css. In the h2, add the red color. Check the preview, and it works. Now let's link a JS file, and again we will quickly test them so that we can work on them later. Before the end of the body tag, add the script tag. In the src attribute, add script.js. Let's quickly test them. So open script.js. I'll just add the alert with the message "It works." Save them and you can see an alert box. It means JS works too. Now let me remove this alert, otherwise every time I save any changes, the alert box appears. Finally, let's add a Google font. So in a new tab, search Google font. Click the first link. Choose any font. I will choose Roboto. Click Get Font. Get Embedded Code. We will install the CSS. So click Add Import. Copy the code and add them, install the CSS. I will remove the style I added for the S2 tag. Then I will paste the code. To that, add the body. Then add font family, Roboto sans serif. Take the preview. And it works. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on the HTML and CSS. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.